Hello viewers, I am Rakib. In this lesson I will discuss about Liquify filter in Photoshop. Here you can see different tools of Liquify filter, and we can do a lot of things using these tools, like we can push or pull area of an image, and we can rotate something, or we can make something smaller or something bigger. So that's what you can do using the Liquify filter, and now I will discuss everything in detail, so keep watching. We are going to start over filter, Liquify, and here you can see some properties, and we are not gonna change anything from here. We will use all the default settings. And the first tool is the forward warp tool. Using this tool you can change any area of an image like this. You can also correct cloth problems like this. You can also correct this one, and if anything goes wrong, then you can select this Reconstruct tool and then drag from there, and it will bring it back to the previous state. And after that you can use this Twirl Clockwise tool to rotate something like this. And now you can see we are also moving this area, and if we don't want to do that, then we can select this freeze mask tool and select the area that we don't want to be affected. And if anything goes wrong, then you can select this Thaw mask tool and remove that area using this tool. And after that you can use this Twirl Clockwise tool and rotate it. So now you can see these areas are not affected. So we can use this Thaw mask tool to remove this. And you can use this Packer tool to make something smaller like this. And you can also use this Bloat tool to make something bigger. And when using this tool, you always have to use the appropriate diameter of this brush, and to do that you can use the right or left square brackets from the keyboard, or you can hold Alt from the keyboard and right click from the mouse and drag right to increase the diameter, or the left to decrease the diameter. So that's all for this lesson. If you like this video, then you can give a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.